place where we study. School, yes. A person who teaches. Yes, teacher. A baby dog. Puppy. A house for birds. Yes, it's nest. A place where we buy books. Bookshop. A person who drives a car. Driver. A meal we eat in the morning. Breakfast. A person who helps sick people. Yes, doctor. A place where we play. Park. A person who grows crops. Farmer. One who flies an aeroplane. Pilot. Yes. A person who paints the pictures. Yes, it's artist. A place where animals are kept. Yes, absolutely right. It's zoo. A person who writes books. Author. One who catches thieves. Police. Person who cooks food. Yes, it's chef. A place where we see movies. Theater. A person who sings songs. Yes, it's singer. A person who plays music. Musician. A place where we borrow books. Yes, library. A person who takes care of the teeth. Yes, come on children. Yes, it's dentist. A place where we see stars and planets. Yes, it's sky. One who helps to put out fire. Yes, absolutely right. Firefighter. A person who grows and sells flowers. Yes, it's florist. A place where sick people stay. Yes, children, come on. Yes, it's hospital.